Worldline GoPay API Explorer, hosted fields. In this video, we will show you how to create a hosted field session and simulate a payment using GoPay API Explorer. Please note that all activities performed on the GoPay API Explorer take place on our shared developer environment by default. But if you want to test how any endpoints or scenarios would work on your own shop, you must first connect your merchant with the GoPay API Explorer. Please watch the how-to video on our channel before continuing. Get the best of both worlds with Worldline hosted fields. Securely offload PCI compliance to us, while keeping complete control over your checkout's look and feel. Enable seamless, one-click payments for your customers today. Check out our official documentation to get started. Refer to the video description for the link. To create a hosted field session, first open the Create Hosted Fields folder and select the basic request. Then, click Send to create a hosted field session. If you receive a 200 response, it means you've successfully created a hosted field session. After creating a hosted field session, you can click the Preview tab in the response window to open a simulated card payment form. There, fill in the cardholder's name. For the card number field, you can use one of our test card numbers. You can find all of the available test cards at our documentation website. Finally, fill in the expiry date and card verification code fields. You can add any value you want to those fields as long as it meets their basic validation criteria. After that, press Pay to create a payment request. The API Explorer will then open the Post Create Payment endpoint and automatically add your hosted field session's ID to the post request. You can immediately press Send to create a payment. The payment response will contain all the information about the given payment and its unique payment ID. You can also switch to the Webhooks tab to see which webhooks were used in the response. Try out the GoPay API Explorer now, or learn more on the official documentation portal.